There are a wide variety of kayak materials and construction techniques available on the market. The science behind these construction techniques and materials could fill an engineering textbook, so we'll break things down into simple terms. We'll delve into various kayak materials, their strengths and weaknesses, and how they're manufactured so you can select the right kayak for your needs. What's the best material for a kayak? The best kayak material will largely depend on use case, budget, weight, and durability requirements. It's important to consider the trade-offs between durability, weight, and cost. Some good questions to ask yourself are: where do I plan to use the kayak? What's my skill level and commitment to the sport? How much space do I have for storing the kayak? How do you plan to transport the kayak? How much am I willing to spend? Let's break down the typical kayak materials and how they play into these key decision factors. Kayak materials. Wood. Wooden kayaks most closely resemble their early ribbon cross-frame progenitors. They're made of durable marine-grade wooden frames with wooden decks and hulls. Wooden kayaks aren't that commonplace. Many kayak buyers don't even consider wood when selecting a kayak material. Wood kayak pros, aesthetically pleasing, lightweight, fairly easy to repair, great project for DIY enthusiasts and woodworkers. Wood kayak cons, not ideal for rough whitewater conditions, requires assembly and woodworking skills. Rotomolded polyethylene. Most of the recreational kayaks available today are made from rotomolded polyethylene. Polyethylene material will flex and bend rather than break. This makes polyethylene kayaks the ideal choice for whitewater rapids. Polyethylene kayak pros, flexible, durable, and impact-resistant, tends to bend rather than break, relatively inexpensive, ideal choice for rocky, whitewater conditions. Polyethylene kayak cons. Polyethylene is heavy, difficult to repair, susceptible to UV damage, can warp or deform from too much sun/heat. Composite/fiberglass. Fiberglass kayaks are constructed from several layers of graphite, Kevlar, and carbon fiber, or some combination of the three. Tracking, responsiveness, and efficiency will be markedly improved over typical plastic recreational kayaks. Composite kayak pros. Ultralight, great for long-distance voyages, high-level responsiveness, tracking and speed, fairly durable, similar to wood, fairly easy to repair. Composite kayak cons. Most expensive kayak material, stiff material, is susceptible to impact damage. Thermoform. Thermoforming is a newer manufacturing process which involves creating a multi-layered sheet of plastic. The plastic is then drawn over a mold and formed into either the hull or deck. Thermoforming is similar to polyethylene manufacturing, but with several added steps. Compatible materials are fused together with the base layer to create a tough, lightweight material. The acrylic outer layer provides excellent UV resistance, making these kayaks able to withstand hot, sunny conditions. Inflatables. Inflatable kayaks are typically made from tough and durable drop-stitch fabric. Drop-stitch construction makes them able to withstand high inflation pressures and provides a decent level of puncture resistance. However, it's not very resistant to UV damage, abrasion, or extreme temperatures. Inflatable kayak pros, ultralight and portable, can fit inside a duffel bag or large backpack, great for backpacking and camping, fairly inexpensive. Wrap up. Keep in mind there's no best kayak material for every situation. Every material has its relative strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to determine how and where you plan to use the kayak before selecting one to purchase.